everybody. Today I have a quick little video for you. All I'm doing is sampling these apple cinnamon empanadas from Better Goods. I have my oven preheated to 375 and it says to put these on a pan, cook them for 15 minutes, and you have to flip them halfway through. So I'm going to line these up, and then it has a little pack of I guess a little sprinkle topping that you put on afterwards. So I've got these on my pan. I'm going to put them in the oven. Alright, these are out of the oven. They're still really hot, but our next step is to put them in a bowl carefully and sprinkle the cinnamon sugar packet on them. You see how they pop open a little bit. They smell good, but we got to add the packet. So I'm going to go ahead and put them back on the tray on my baking sheet. I'm going to let them cool off just a little bit more because that inside, oh my, I don't want to be biting into that just yet. Okay, I might take some extra. I still have quite a bit left in my bowl. All right, so when they cool down, I'll be back. All right, are you ready, Freddie? Let's try this. So I think I'm gonna pick this one because it came open a little bit, and so I was hoping that the heat would come out. So I'm hoping that the inside is cooled off, but it smells really good. Apple cinnamon. That is good. I don't know if you can see inside there. Well, like the apple pie pieces. That was pretty good. That was worth a try.